A cotton candy machine is a delightful confectionery device that spins magic from sugar granules. Designed to create the whimsical treat known as cotton candy, this apparatus captivates both young and old with its enchanting process. Operating with a simple mechanism, the machine houses a heating element that melts sugar into a liquid state. As the liquefied sugar is exposed to air, centrifugal forces whip it into delicate threads, resembling ethereal clouds. These sugar strands are collected on a spinning cone or a paper stick, forming the iconic sugary creation. Cotton candy machines come in various sizes, from compact models for home use to larger commercial versions found at fairs and amusement parks. They infuse joy into events, offering a visual spectacle as well as a sweet indulgence that melts in the mouth, making them a timeless favorite among carnival treats. Hi! Explore captivating insights into cotton candy machines and delve into comprehensive reviews of top picks on our platform. Stay informed with detailed evaluations of the best options available in the market. Earning an impressive 5th rank in our assessments, the Adhafera brand asserts its prominence in the cotton candy machine domain. This device ensures hassle-free operation. Simply follow the provided instructions for installation, and you'll be crafting delightful candy floss with the push of a single button. In just 2 to 3 minutes, your candy floss extravaganza can begin. Cleaning the machine is a breeze. The splash plate and sugar bin are conveniently washable under running water, preferably warm, while the non-removable components can be easily wiped down with a heated cloth. With a heat-resistant exterior, a robust 304 stainless steel core, and a sugar bin meeting food-grade standards, safety is paramount for your candy floss gatherings. Versatility is its forte, suitable for all celebrations including birthdays, Christmas, anniversaries, and more. Gifting a cotton candy machine brings an element of excitement, promising the joy of crafting this sugary delight at any time. Adhafera's offering blends functionality with convenience, making it a standout choice for those seeking to elevate their candy floss experience. Securing a remarkable 4th position in our rankings, the Nostalgia Cotton Candy Machine proves to be a delightful addition to your entertainment arsenal. Whether it's movie nights, birthday celebrations, or any joyous occasion, this cotton candy maker guarantees to enchant both children and adults. Create sugary magic by using our flossing sugar or even your preferred hard candies, adding a dash of deliciousness to your festivities. For those sweltering summer days, our snow cone machine is a savior, crafting icy and refreshing snow cone delights directly from your countertop or picnic table. The transparent chamber allows everyone to revel in the spectacle as the snow accumulates, while our diverse selection of syrups empowers them to fashion their very own perfect cones. However, this shaved ice machine is just the beginning of the icy treat adventure. Elevate your experience by incorporating our delectably sweet syrups, inviting you to experiment and concoct unique flavor combinations that tantalize your taste buds. The Nostalgia Cotton Candy Machine and Snow Cone Maker together usher in a world of sugary delight, making any gathering an unforgettable and flavorsome affair. Don't forget to subscribe or give a like. Emerging as a trailblazer in the cotton candy machine arena, Display 4 Top captures an eminent 3rd-place position with its exceptional offering. This machine redefines user convenience and engagement, establishing novel benchmarks in the industry. This electric cotton candy machine harnesses 1080 watts of power, ensuring swift yet remarkably quiet operation that yields 2 to 4 servings of delectable cotton candy per minute. The result is an enchanting experience that caters to every sweet tooth's desires. The machine showcases a stainless steel bowl with a generous 20.5-inch diameter, complemented by secure clamps that stabilize the bowl during use, effectively minimizing vibrations and noise for a smoother operation. Equipped with a handy sugar floss scoop, loading the heating heads well becomes a breeze. Furthermore, ventilation holes on both sides enhance heat dissipation, while non-slip feet ensure the machine's stability. Noteworthy features include LED lights and music, infusing a distinctive and joyful ambience into the cotton candy making process. This innovative cotton candy machine not only reduces noise but also introduces a carnival-like atmosphere. Its user-friendly design facilitates effortless assembly and disassembly, simplifying setup and ensuring quick cleanups. Compact and lightweight, this commercial-grade cotton candy machine adapts seamlessly to any tabletop surface, inviting a dash of sweetness to weddings, birthdays, camping trips, and various events. Ideal for commercial establishments, parties, game rooms, wedding receptions, as well as intimate family and social gatherings, Display 4Top's creation merges convenience with celebration, making every cotton candy moment a delightful memory. Securing an impressive second-place standing, Nostalgia introduces a cotton candy machine that transcends conventional benchmarks. The Nostalgia Retro Countertop Cotton Candy Maker is a charming blend of classic design and modern convenience. Its retro aesthetic instantly evokes a sense of nostalgia, making it a perfect addition to parties and gatherings. This compact machine is easy to set up and use, allowing you to create delightful cotton candy at home. Featuring a user-friendly design, the machine efficiently transforms granulated sugar into fluffy, whimsical clouds of sweetness. The clear rim acts as both a protective shield and a viewing window, letting you witness the mesmerizing process as sugar threads whirl into a delightful confection. The included reusable cones add to the eco-friendly appeal. While it excels at creating traditional pink and blue cotton candy, experimentation with different flavors and colors can also be an exciting adventure. The machine's compact size and lightweight build make it portable and easy to store when not in use. However, it's worth noting that creating perfect cotton candy requires a bit of practice in terms of sugar scooping and cone twirling technique. Additionally, the machine's output might be smaller compared to commercial counterparts, so larger events may require more time and effort. In conclusion, the Nostalgia Retro Countertop Cotton Candy Maker not only serves up delightful treats but also adds a touch of whimsy to your space. Its retro charm, ease of use, and fun factor make it a great choice for those looking to bring the joy of cotton candy into their homes. The Candery is unwavering in its pursuit of excellence, as evidenced by their extraordinary cotton candy machine that embodies innovation. Craft the most impeccable, delectable cotton candy right in the comfort of your home with our vintage cotton candy machine. Transform your kitchen into a carnival of fun and flavor, or take the festivities outdoors for a kid's birthday bash or any special gathering. This masterpiece features a spacious stainless steel reinforced bowl that seamlessly locks into place by sliding it onto the base. Firm suction pads ensure the stability of the cotton candy machine, while an improved plastic shield simplifies the cone whirling process. Witness fluffy perfection in a mere 30 seconds, if not less. Powered by a top-notch motor, this candy machine adeptly gathers sugar wisps to swiftly generate lusciously soft, cloud-like confections. Ideal for parties and events where eager lines of children await their sweet treats, this cotton candy machine kit arrives complete with essentials. Alongside the machine, enjoy 10 paper candy cones and a sugar scoop, ensuring you have all you need for homemade sugary delights. Feel secure as you use and relish your favorite cotton candy sugar, hard candy, or rock candy, knowing that the Candery's creation is designed for both safety and enjoyment. We greatly appreciate your valuable insights on cotton candy machines. Kindly share your thoughts in the comments to aid us in enhancing our services. Your active engagement in our mission is sincerely valued and tremendously advantageous. Thank you for your significant contribution.